searching for this bus, I don't know where to go. I might just lie on the floor and let a car run me over. Get it over and done with. Oh, hermosa! Muy hermosa! She wanted help putting that on her head, I didn't understand her, so I just stood there and watched her. Everyone else helped her. There she goes, my girl, off into the city. Take care, sweetheart. We've got it, we've got the bus. Gracias, mi amigo.
Yeah.
Gracias.
¿Cuánto?
Para dos? Para dos? Gracias. That guy was not happy about his life. To be fair, he's not got the greatest bus. He's smashed up, this.
Barra de café de mango. Dulce de eucalipto, barrita, barras.
Got some strepsils for me. Oh, I'll have a cold on this bus. ¿Puedo tener piña, por favor?
Piña.
¿Cuánto es?
Una cora.
¿Un dólar?
No, una cora, 25 centavos.
Ah, sí. No. Piña, por favor. Sí.
Ok.
Sí. ¿Está bien?
Sí.
¿Cuánto?
No. Aquí me da de más.
¿Más?
Aquí va a correr.
Sí.
Gracias.
Give him loads. Give him absolutely loads. Oh, warm slice of pineapple. It's actually pretty cold, isn't it? That frisbee at one of these. It's fermented, so there's a bit of alcohol in there. Hola, amigo.
Hola.
¿Qué tiempo el autobús a Santana?
2 horas.
2 horas?
Es que como hay tráfico.
Aquí?
Sí.
Aquí?
Ah,
Which bus? Santana?
sí.
Santana? Oh, the Vamos.
Sí.
I think it's that bus that's just gone. Yeah, which one do I go for? Servicio con papel looks nice. See what that tastes like. Oh, this is nice. Prison. Hola. Hola. I just need a piss. Servicio con papel. No poo poo. No poo poo. No poo poo. Just. No mierda. No mierda. Only poo poo. Only wee wee. ¿Está bien? Oh, see, whatever, yeah. Oh, for fuck, I don't even need it. Shit. Aye. Nice, this, though. Oh, someone's did a huge foul. Oh, these are smart, these. I didn't. I paid for a poo as well. Even though I'm going to pretend to have one, even if I don't need one. Mate, I don't actually need one. I don't know why I'm going in there. I'm going to sell my paper. ¿Quieres, amigo? ¿Quieres? 5 centos. I'm getting rid of this now. I'm getting rid of this. No necesito, amiga. ¿Quieres? 10 centos. No? Oh. No money. You want to give me any money? Get out of here. And this is the last bus to Santana. And then we're finally there. I'm sweating.
Churros.
I've already got me nuts.
Quitas.
Gracias. No hambre anymore. Where are you? Santana, the last bus. And I really want that dress. Wow. ¿Qué tal?
Bien.
Bien. Taxi, ¿sí?
Taxi.
¿Sí? ¿Es no chico malo?
No.
¿No? Bien malo. Bien chico. ¿Tu nombre?
Francisco.
Francisco. Ell-jo. El. Hola, amigo. Oh shit, police are coming. Fuck, get in the car. Can you not open the boot?
No, pues ya se puso. Aquí vete la maleta.
Maleta de aquí. He stole it. Police stole it. He stole it. He stole the police car. Oh god, is he a real taxi driver? I'm not sure if this guy's a real taxi driver. I'm going to be on a mantelpiece in El Salvador. Santa Ana, Mum. I'm in Santa Ana on the mantelpiece.
Quiere para que salga a la calle.
Izquierda.
Número de WhatsApp.
Número de WhatsApp.
Oh, what's your WhatsApp?
Sí, tengo.
Send him some willy pics.
Policía suizo.
Amigo, Santa Ana bonito.
¿Cómo?
Santa Ana bonito.
Sí, es bonito.
¿Sí? ¿No peligroso?
Es que depende de los lugares.
¿Sí? Ah.
Los lugares.
En la noche, sí.
En la noche, solo de día no.
No?
De día no.
Aquí.
Not that dangerous.
Izquierda.
How much is it?
$4.
$4? Bro.
Okay. Foto.
Photo? Oh, sí. Let's go photo. Good. Yeah.
Un policía, compañero, se fue para Suecia
Suecia?
a pedir asilo.
I don't know what he's saying when he's saying this.
Suecia, la
Suecia.
país de Suecia.
El país de Suecia.
Policia is Switzerland.
Policía de aquí.
Sí?
Ajá.
Crazy, loco.
Era vecino.
Loco, fuck the police. Does he actually have a gun? Where's the gun? Pistola. Oh no, great, loco! Nice. Oh god. Hola amigos.
Hola.
We're here. We got here. It's good. We're in here. Hola amigo.
Hola.
¿Qué tal?
Bien.
I'm okay as well. That's the Westerners, bro. Crazy. Hello. How's it going? Oh, look at that pool. Look at that bar, mate. This is sweet. Oh, VW camper, half a VW camper here. Decent. I'm getting white girl wasted. I met a guy called Tony who's got one of these. Hopefully it's this red one. And he's taking us out. He's taking us up the volcano because I wasn't going to go because it's effort, because you have to walk and you get sweaty and it's just effort. But he's going to take us in his 4x4. It is this one. Who's getting passenger seat? Whoa, whoa. Yeah, let him pull it out, you dick. Rushing to get in the front with him. I want to get in the front, little bitch. Oh my god, Vinny, he's got a Vinny Diesel. It's a rascal. Oh god, Tony, this is an absolute beast.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah,
You
it's
enjoy
fucking
it?
sweet, man.
We were hoping for the Red Bull.
So, yeah.
I told you I have a big car.
I thought I'm not... a big car and a big willy.
Yay!
What's it called? Just Volcano Santa Ana?
Santa Ana, yes.
Classic name. Hola.
Buenos días. Buenas.
This is lovely. Hashtag vlogging, hashtag GoPro, hashtag... So, going around here, we're going to the Volcano Santa Ana with my boy Tono. With a big Antonio. Been walking for about an hour now. The sweat's arrived. The sweat has arrived. Another 30 minutes to get to the top of this volcano. See a massive blue pool. Hopefully I can throw myself into it, but I don't think I can. I've brought my drone up. Oh. Oh god, fuck. So, I'm at the top of the top of the volcano. The weather is rascal up here. Oh, there's some guards. Hope they don't arrest me for being criminally good looking. See if this is a naughty volcano. There should be a massive blue pool of heaven in here. Hola amigos. Buenas, sí. Oh, Inglaterra. Inglaterra. Sí, Manchester. Where are you from?
Salvador.
Salvador. ¿Cuánto tiempo tu trabajo aquí?
5 years.
5 years here. Stood right here for 5 years. How many hours today?
What?
How many hours a day do you stand here?
Yeah.
Like 8 hours a day? 8 horas aquí?
No, 1 o'clock here.
Oh, and then vamos.
Yeah.
Sí. Gracias, amigo. We're getting a little ice cream up here.
You want mango?
Yeah, I'd love a mango one. Oh, is that mango?
Yeah.
Manzana? No? No manzana? Mango?
Mango.
Oh, okay.
I've got maracuya.
Wow. Oh, shit. Whoa, crazy. Fuck me. Rip my foot open. No, I'm being dramatic. I stayed here for 2 nights now in that tent over there. Lovely tent. You wake up in the morning, absolutely roasting. But you have that view to look at. That's the other hostel. We don't like it over there. Yeah, we don't like it over there. Well, yeah, I'm checking out today. I'm going to go to a place called Ruta de Flores or something, going to some hot springs. So yeah, that's my life right now. I'm going to throw myself in off here, but I can't even GoPro it because I've dropped my little GoPro and it's smashed, hasn't it? The screen's smashed. So it's not watertight anymore. Not watertight, it's making me want to fight. I might catch a flight in the middle of the night. I'm a freak.